Piyush Mishra joins us from Indore at this given point of time. Piyush, a very good morning to you. Let's understand what exactly is the situation today in Indore. I can see people right behind you. They've been going through a tragic period of time with the water being contaminated, many being ill and currently in the hospital, many lives being lost, and now also they're having to buy bottled water, which is a pinch on their pockets as well.
Well, absolutely no doubt about it that people are forced to buy clean water and they are paying around 30 to 40 rupees per bottle for the clean drinking water. Right now, we are here in Bhagirathpura of Indore, and we are at a point from where we can show to our viewers the reality check, the ground reality of this situation and why this actually happened. You can see this is the main line. This is the main water line, the main boring water line which people use for their daily purpose. And as of now, it has been blocked, but you can open it by using few steps, and you can see as to how the water is coming out of this. And let's also move ahead. I would ask my video journalist Sanjay to come with me, and then we'll show you more visuals. This is the water which people use every day for their daily drinking purpose or different purposes. At the same time, this water pipeline which is here, with this we have the sewer pipeline. So you can see as to how the sewer line and the main water line which goes in the houses of people is connected, and that is one of the reasons that contaminated the entire water. There was a leakage in one of the connections. Because of this, the contaminated water entered into the clean water, and because of that, many people were forced to drink the contaminated water. Also, we have a sample of the water which is being procured by people, and you can see as to how I have a boy with me who is holding a glass in his hand, and you can see the kind of water people are forced to drink. This is the contaminated water, and this situation is persisting for the last many years, and there is no solution which is coming to the fore. So here we are showing you the ground reality of the contaminated water of Bhagirathpura in Indore, and people are forced to drink this polluted, this contaminated water every day. And now the government has started taking few steps. The cleaning process is going on in various parts of Bhagirathpura. Let me also try to get in a word from the locals here. ये गंदा पानी कब से आ रहा है?
ये गंदा पानी कम से कम 1 महीने पहले से आ रही है, जब से डीजल लाइन खोली है।
1 महीने से?
1-1.5 महीना हो गया है, और अभी उसी के कारण ये पानी ऐसा आ रहा है।
यही पानी पीने के लिए व्यवस्था है?
ये नहीं पी रहे हम, लेकिन
अब नहीं पी रहे?
अब नहीं पी रहे, हमने टैंकर का पी रहे।
टैंकर आ रहा है?
आता है, उसका पानी पीते हैं, या तो फिर बिस्लरी का लेते हैं।
टैंकर अभी आ रहा है? अच्छा, बिस्लरी का कितने का पड़ जाता है आपको?
बिस्लरी का पानी हमको अभी ना 30 रुपए का, 20-30 रुपए।
20 रुपए की बाटल आती है। अब हमको 4 बाटल लगी तो कितने की होगी? यानी पानी भी मोल लेके पी रहा है। और कहाँ से करेगा? ये नर्मदा का भी पैसा भर रहा है।
100 रुपए प्रतिदिन आप दे रहे हैं पानी का?
हाँ,
3000 महीने का?
3000 रुपए महीने का। और ये बिल इसका पानी का भी दे रहा है, पानी का बिल ले रहा है 15 दिन।
पानी आपकी लाइन आ रही है, इसका भी पैसा?
जो नर्मदा की लाइन है वो बिल्कुल नहीं आती।
लेकिन मैं ये देख पा रहा हूँ, एक पानी के पीने की लाइन यहाँ पर है और सीवेज की लाइन भी यहीं पर है।
हाँ, 2 ही लाइन है।
दोनों पास में ही है, दोनों पास में ही लगी हुई है।